Hello! Welcome back to the Nature Channel, where we update you on local news. Today, me and Autumn are at Mission Hill, and we are going to tell you the many things that goes on in those trees. And let's go to Autumn with the weather.
Hey guys, Autumn here to bring you your local weather. For today's weather, it's partly cloudy with a temperature of 46 degrees Fahrenheit, precipitation at 0%, humidity at 32%, and winds up to 6 miles per hour. Let's go to Kim with sports. Kim? Kim, wake up! Kim! Well, sorry guys, looks like Kim isn't going to be doing sports today. Let's go over to Steven.
Hello, and welcome back to Steven's on Mission Hill. Today, we're going to learn about Mission Hill and where it stands today. Mission Hill has been around for decades and will be around for many more. Mission Hill stretches top 5.1 kilometers long. That's 3.1 miles. Its elevation is at 127 meters tall. And let's go to Autumn with the history.
Hi, I'm Autumn, and welcome to Mission Hill. Mission Hill is a very important landmark in Bay Mills Indian community. It not only provides beautiful features, but it is also a very traditional place where Ojibwe ceremonies are practiced. Two of these ceremonies include fasting and gathering. Let's go over to Steven.
Now, let's walk up the hill to learn more facts. See that over there? Amazing. This is a skull of a white-tailed deer. As you can see, here's the snout and the eye socket. And the cool thing about deers, unlike other animals, their hearing glands are made of bone, so you can see that in the fossil. And if you can see through the neck bone piece, you can see that its brain is completely out. This is an amazing specimen. What a great thing. You know, when you look at water and you start to think how beautiful it is really a sight to behold. What's this? Garbage. You know, I really don't like garbage. It pollutes the environment. And not only it's hurting the environment, but it is killing animals. That's how most animals are extinct. And we want most of them to stay around for a long time. And when you see garbage like this, pick it up and save the environment.
Man, if you think about it, Steven, these views are very important for human health to see and to witness the beauty of creation.
They are, Autumn. They are. And we'll let you guys see more views when we go back on the Nature Channel.